In my 10 years of studies, I've really come to understand the importance of protein and really what it does in your body and how it helps to rebuild your muscle. The problem that I've seen with athletes and just with people in general is finding a good source of protein to take when they need it the most, during exercise. If we do take it, it's milk-based and it's kind of heavy in our stomach and doesn't absorb immediately. And that's where Rapid Fuel really is a game changer in my book.
TrueAge Performance is an exciting, fun new product category, and there's nothing like it in the world. It was developed in conjunction with professional athletes and will help you to have a better exercise experience. At the same time, will lower your AGEs.
The first product we're launching in the TrueAge Performance line, and really the flagship product of this line, is Rapid Fuel. We created Rapid Fuel with the needs of the athlete in mind. The athlete wants energy and endurance and recovery, and we also wanted to create a product that would help you maintain healthy AGE levels. Rapid Fuel owes its effectiveness to osmolality technology. Osmolality is the ability to match the exact concentrations and specifications in the body that allows instant energy and protein delivery when your body needs it most, which is before, during, and after your workout.
Now, you may have had your grandma or your mom tell you, don't go swimming right after eating a big meal because they're worried about you getting cramps and drowning. And the reason is because the proteins in the food, if not at the right concentration, can cause cramping, discomfort. Rapid Fuel provides protein isolates, carbohydrates, and electrolytes in the right proportion and the right ratios that don't cause that problem.
Rapid Fuel really is a game changer. I recommend it to my friends, family, all my clients, and I'd recommend it to you. It helps with energy, helps with the absorption of protein, and can even help lower your AGEs. I got my protein, I got my electrolytes, I got my vitamin B6 and 12, I'm good to go.